Kit Kats have been a chocolate bar enjoyed by many for decades, but there is one country that has put its own unique spin on this family favorite. Americans are just warming up to the idea of oddly flavored snacks like key lime pie Oreos, chicken and waffles, Lay's potato chips, and birthday cake Pop Tarts. But compared to some other countries, these seem very tame. There is one country that has taken Kit Kat flavors to the extreme. Fun fact, Japan has launched more than 200 flavors of Kit Kats in the past 15 years. That's 4 times the number of Jelly Belly flavors and almost 7 times the number of Pringles varieties. Nestle Japan launched strawberry as the first special edition flavor in the year 2000. Before that, Kit Kats with almonds were sold in 1996. Those are pretty tame compared to some of the newer flavors. These candy bars come in all sorts of varieties, from intriguing, delicious-sounding flavors like Sakura green tea, lemon cheesecake, Ramune, and royal milk tea. Then come more bizarre and oddly specific varieties like ginger ale, European cheese, caramel macchiato McFlurry, and of course, wasabi. The reason for this wild creativity has roots in a convenience store business model that requires stores to bring in new products every 2 to 3 weeks. So special edition flavors usually live on Japanese store shelves for 2 to 3 weeks and can be brought back by popular demand, as was the case with strawberry and green tea, the most popular flavors to date. What flavor of Kit Kat would you like to see? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this fun fact. Check out one of our other videos for facts that will truly amaze you.